So welcome back to Jealous Styles PH, and for today's video I'm going to transform myself. Well, I'm not yet sure, but maybe an anime look. So if you're ready, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's start. So guys, this is basically the clothes that I'm gonna wear. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, mag-subscribe ka na para good vibes tayo. Alright, so let's start with my eyebrows as I always do. Okay guys, I didn't do my eyebrows for like 2 months now. So as you can see, it's very thick. I didn't do any threading. I don't know how to do it myself. That's why I don't dare myself to do it. That's why I'm having a little bit of hard time doing it right now. Aww. Okay girl, you can do it. Just like you always do. Aww. Okay. That's better. Let's proceed. Alright, so let's proceed with the eyeshadows to give color to your life. And first, I'll put the concealer, and as we all know, concealer, it hides all the dark spots in you. Oh, I mean in your skin, in your face. Sorry. And yeah, so let's try to conceal those. Alright, now I'm starting with my eyeshadow. Since we already hide those dark circles that we have, now we need some color in our life. Yes, you heard it right. Alright, girl. Alright guys, since I don't have a super tinted eyeshadow, I will try to use this lipstick. So let's see how it is. Does it look good? Or yeah, maybe let's just try to be creative somehow.
Wow.
That's good. Okay. Good enough. So let me try harder. Yes, harder. But guys, look, maybe I look like a vampire now, or maybe it looks like my eyes are bleeding, isn't it? But to be honest, I'm not really liking the mic that I am using right now. By the way, I bought it in Lazada. Does it sound good? For me, it doesn't sound so good. But yeah, going back to the topic, let me finish my eyeshadow. Alright guys, so now I changed the cord of my mic. It should sound better. And now I'm putting my shimmer eyeshadow. Yeah, that's right. Why shimmer eyeshadow? I mean, why lighter eyeshadow? To help your eyes look much bigger. And since we're doing a transformation, we want to look a little bit different than usual. Yes, alright. So now I'm just adding on a bit of that red eyeshadow. Actually, I used a lipstick. And now I'm putting on the other side as well because I think it's not balanced. I hate when things are not balanced. Oh my god, now I look like a vampire, see? Now let's proceed to eyeliner. Eyeliner is very important. So now we will do a wing eyeliner. A very big wing. No, I'm just kidding. Not so big, but as long as you can catch someone falling for you. Char. Okay, so I'm not a pro in doing eyeliner. Look at me, I'm just struggling so bad. And next girl is curling your lashes. Yes, to make you look cute. And then we have the mascara. Mascara, make it thick, okay? So it's gonna be visible. When I say thick as your ex-boyfriend's face. Char. Look at me. Oh my god, I'm so ugly, but it's okay. While putting these things on, gonna make you ugly, but it's gonna be worth it, girl.
Wow.
Of course, you need a foundation as well.
So you need to cover up your face since we are doing a transformation. Oopsie. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Any sponsors, please? Char. Anyways, yeah, I don't have any brushes left. That's why I'm using this one. The only one. Yes. So now guys, we're doing contouring. Contouring makes your face look slimmer. It's creating a shadow effect. Alright? When we say shadow effect, just like how your ex-boyfriend treated you. Like a shadow. Just kidding. Okay, so yeah, contour. That's how it is when we have a big face. What to do? Alright, let's proceed to lipstick. I'm using a pink lipstick. Alright. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit of red to just pigment it a little bit. Alright, yeah, just dab. Just like that. Alright, girl. You look cute. Do I? Okay, so now I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip gloss. I'm using a shade of pink as well. Alright, because the lipstick that I used a while ago was too mattify. Okay, what's happening? Well, I think I finished, but there you go. We finished the look, and here it is. Let me just change, and we'll be back. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like my transformation, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so we are good vibes. Thank you so much. Bye.